Dear students, we have completed our chapter number 7, that is animals and their friend. In this chapter, we have studied different things about the animals like their behavior, hearing, covering of animals and why the animals live in group. So today we are going to do the exercise of this chapter. So I want everyone to open the book and be ready with your pencils and we'll do the exercise. Your first exercise is your fill-ups. So in your first fill-up, your statement is honey collector burns a dash under the beehive to collect the honey. So we have seen when honey collectors are there, what they are doing? They are burning fire under the beehive. So your first answer is here fire. First fill-up is your fire. The next fill-up is penguins dash together to keep themselves warm. So when the penguin lives in a group, that is called that penguins huddles together. So your word is huddles. The penguin huddles together to keep themselves warm. Now we are on the third one. Third fill-up, your statement is male bees is also called as, so your male bee is called as drone. What they are called as? They are called as drone. Now, fourth one, birds feather, it's your answer is feather. So what does the feather do? Feathers keep the body of birds warm and they are also helping them to fly. So your fourth fill-up is feather. The last one is a dash changes its color to match its surroundings. So we all know who changes its color with the surrounding. It is your chameleon. So CHAMELEON. It is your chameleon changes its color to match with the surrounding. And why does this chameleon do so? To protect himself from the enemies. Now we are going to do our next exercise. Your next exercise is take the correct option. What you have to do? You have to take the correct option. So in take the correct option, your first statement is a polar bear or a elephant has a long ears. So which animal have long ears? It is your elephant. You will tick on elephant. Next one is the queen bee or the worker bee take care of the eggs. So here your answer is worker bee. Worker bee take care of the eggs. Queen bees never take care of the egg. The next one is the stick insect or dog has ability to camouflage. So what is a camouflage? We told that when organism changes its color or have its color according to the surrounding, this process or this thing is called as the camouflage. So can a dog change the color? No. Here your answer is stick insect. So you will put a tick mark on stick insect. The last one is a plover. Fourth one is your cockroach or cat is a friendly animal. So we all know which animal is a friendly animal. It is your cat. In fourth one, you will write there as cat and put a tick mark. Now we are on the fifth one. That is your last statement. In the last statement it is a plover or cattle egret sit inside the mouth of crocodile. So cattle egret sits on cattle and plover sits inside the mouth of crocodile. So here your last one is your plover. So put a tick mark on the plover. I hope you might have completed the choose the correct option. Your first one is elephant, second one is your worker bee, third one is your stick insect, fourth one is cat, and the last one is your plover. I hope you might have done the exercise. Now we are coming on to the true and false. In true and false, our first statement, we are going to do true and false. So let me write it here. True or false. In true or false, our first statement is bird have small ears to listen sound. So have you seen the small ears of birds? No, they have small holes. So your first option is your false. In the second one, it is crocodile has small strand of hairs on its body. Have you ever seen hairs on the crocodile? No. So this statement is again false. Third statement is animals live in group for company. Animals never live in a group for company. They live in group to protect themselves for enemy or to keep warmness in themselves. So again, your third one is false. Now is your fourth statement. All worker ants are female. So yes, all the worker ants are female. And the last one is a bat gets to know how far the things are flying by its echo. We have studied about this hearing in animals. In that we have studied about the bat also, and how bat can know about the animal which is or thing which is far away, that is due to echo. So this statement is again true. So please match it once again. Your first statement is false. Second, that is a crocodile has a small strand, that is again false. Third statement, animals live in a group for company, is again false. Then all worker bees are female, that is true. And the bat get to know how far thing is by echo, it is true. Now we will do the next exercise, that is your E part, in which you have to give the examples of the animals, different animals. So your first one is, in first one you have to tell about shy animal. So when we are talking about shy animal, the first shy animal is your rat. And the other one is your rabbit. So rat and rabbit are your shy animal. Then we are coming on to the second one. In second one, it is friendly animal. So we all know who are the friendly animal. Animals like dog and cats. They are friendly animals. It is dog and cat. Then third one is your animals that have scales on their bodies. So animals like snakes and crocodile have scales on their body. So here you will write in first column as snake, and in the other column you will write as crocodile. Fourth one. In fourth one, animals which have little hair on their body. So the animals which have little hair on the body, you can say it as zebra. And the next one is your Next one is your deer. Fifth one is animals that have very thick hairs on their body. So you might have seen yak. Yak is having thick hair on the body, and the next one is your polar bear. So yak and polar bear have thick hairs on their body. Now we are coming on to the sixth one, that is animals which can camouflage. So it is your first one is your stick insect. So you will write it as stick insect, and the another one is your chameleon. So these are the two examples. The first shy animal is your rat and rabbit. The friendly animals are dog and cat. Then the animals who have scales on their body is your snake and crocodile. Then you are having the animals which have little hair on their body. It is zebra and deer. And then the animals with thick hair on their body, it is yak and polar bear. And lastly, the animals which can camouflage is your stick insect and chameleon. So students, here we complete our exercise. I hope you might have done the exercise now. Thank you everyone.